Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today we have an interesting fact about achieving dreams in life. In life, success or the life you dream is like breaking a huge rock. You hit it once, you hit it twice, or even thrice. Maybe on the 49th hit only the rock may get broken and you will attain success. And if I ask how did the rock got broken, you can't say it is only because of 49th hit the rock got broken. No, it is basically the constant effort you put forward right from the first hit. There is one day, the very one day, any stone will break. Dear viewers, understand failure is the stepping stone to success, and the key to unlock is consistency on what you do. One day, surely the success will knock at your door. Hope you all love today's content. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. For training requirements, you can contact me on the number given in description. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye bye.